This is Andy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Mexican dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make nopalitos with beef in a green sauce. It's really easy to make and super delicious. I really recommend it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large saucepan, we're going to bring plenty of water to a boil. Then season the water with salt to taste, and then into the water we're going to add in the cactus. We're going to cook this on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the cactus is tender. Now in another saucepan with plenty of water, we're going to cook the tomatillos and the serrano peppers. Cover this and cook them for about 10 minutes or until they are tender. Now in a large skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And once the oil is nice and hot, now we're going to cook the beef, which is already cut into small bite-sized pieces. Season the beef with salt to taste and also black pepper to taste. Give it a stir and cook, stirring frequently for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's well cooked. So once the beef is well cooked, remove it from the heat and set it aside for a minute. So here I have the tomatillos and the peppers. They are already cooked. Now we're going to place them in the blender. And into the blender we will also add in 1/4 of an onion together with the garlic cloves and the cilantro. Also season this with salt to taste and also adding 1 cup of water. We're going to blend this on high speed until well blended. Then taste the flavor, add more salt if needed, and then once you're happy with the flavor, just set it aside for a minute. Over here I have the cactus. As you can see, it already changed in color. It means it's cooked. Now we're going to drain it and then just set it aside for a minute. Now in a large saucepan on medium heat, we're going to add in the beef, which is already cooked, and we will also add in the cactus, which is also already cooked. Give them a stir, and then we're going to add in the green sauce. Add another cup of water. If you think it's necessary, you can add more water. Give this a stir, then cover it and let it come to a boil on low heat. Once it's boiling, then taste the flavor, add more salt if needed, and if you do add more salt, let it boil for 2 more minutes. And that's about it. After 2 more minutes, now it's ready, you can serve it. And I'm just serving it with white rice, and that's about it. This is so delicious and healthy, I really recommend it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember to also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!